Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Montoya. Alright, so I'm here with episode 3 of Save the Scraps, where I give you different ideas and tips on how to use your remnant and scrap fabric. Because if you're anything like me, after a project, you don't throw away those scraps and you don't throw away those remnants. You just keep piling them up. And well, for me, I have a crate where I keep my my leftover fabric, and then I also have some tubs where I've stored other fabric, and then I have another box where I have more scraps. So now I'm trying to figure out, what are we gonna do with these? Either you need to use them or you need to throw them away, but I want to repurpose and reuse. So here I am today. I made this Appliqué sweater. So I used Monday's threads tutorial to create this sweater, and I used some scrap fabric that I had. Now I just had some leftover fabric from a dashiki project I had done, and what I did was, actually I didn't even have a full piece. So what I did was I sewed 2 pieces together so that my stencil can fit. Now Monday, she already has a Africa outline that you can use to create this sweater, but I already had I was trying to be artsy, decorate my room, and I had bought this. This is actually a piece of wood with the Africa cut out, and I used this, and then I traced it and I followed her tutorial step by step, what she said to do, and then I used this to create my applique. And I loved her tutorial. It was very easy to follow, plain, simple, and I was able to create this sweater. I love it. And I got this sweater from Walmart, and I think in her video she links to where she got hers from, I think on Amazon, but I was looking for a black one and I found this at Walmart. I'll be sure to link that for you, but I'll in the description box I'll go ahead and link her tutorial, the direct link, and I'll also link her Instagram name, so be sure to follow her and subscribe to her channel. She's wonderful. She also creates wonderful tutorials here on YouTube. Love it. I can't wait to make more, and I look forward to my next one that I'm going to make. I think when I make this again, I like the idea of sewing different fabrics together, so I'm probably going to do that, do like a patchwork effect, and sew like different scraps that I have together and then create an Africa applique. And yeah, I just look forward to making more of these sweaters. I've already gotten so many requests. Can I get that sweater? Can I get that sweater? And so I might, for people who live locally, this is something I might end up selling, because usually, you know, I'm a selfish seamstress. I sew for myself. I don't make things for other people unless it's a gift for a family member, because I don't have much time. You know, out of being a teacher, I have very little time to do other things. So I'm going to sew for myself because there's so many things that I want to make. But that's besides the point. Go ahead and make you a sweater or a different applique, whatever you would like to be on your sweater. Use up those scraps and make you some appliques and design beautiful sweaters. All right, until next time.